Have you run into moisture related problems? Honestly, in this business, who hasn't, right? The problem is knowing if your wood is dry enough for your project. Most issues in wood projects are due to too much moisture, and the best way to prevent those problems is to test for moisture. But do you know how to use your wood moisture meter properly? Sure you do. You're a pro after all. But a little refresher never hurt anyone. So here's the 10 easy steps for how to use your wood moisture meter. When using a pinless moisture meter, make sure you apply enough pressure. Since you're measuring the wood through the sensor pad on the bottom of the meter, you'll want to make sure it's laying flat on the wood. About 3 pounds of pressure is ideal for a good reading. 2. Before taking wood moisture readings, wipe off any standing or visible water and allow the surface to dry for 60 seconds or more. Once the wood has been wiped and allowed to dry, our meters are able to give accurate readings in less time than other meters. Number 3. Use the proper meter for the job, shallow depth or deep depth. Depending on the thickness of the wood, you'll need to use a specific meter to get the most accurate result. The right meter for the job will save you time and potential trouble down the road. Click here to compare models of the Orion series. Number 4. Don't forget about the subfloor. If you are measuring MC levels in installed flooring, the meter will probably pick up moisture in the subfloor. If the subfloor is made of wood products, this probably won't skew the readings, but concrete will give a higher reading. So definitely something to consider. Number 5, beware of metal. Never check the MC of a piece of wood lying on a metal table. Instead, hold it in the air to take readings. The reason? Moisture meters are sensitive to anything conductive, so any metal directly under would make the moisture meter ineffective, resulting in a false reading. Number 6, make sure your meter is properly calibrated, or in other words, don't be a klutz like me and drop it. Be careful with your meter. Sure, it's simple to recalibrate the meter with the included on-demand calibrator, but why go through the trouble if you don't have to? If you drop your meter, or it is accidentally submerged, it could be damaged. So it's best to keep it on your belt loop or in the provided carrying case for protection. Number 7, keep batteries on hand just in case. Yes, the batteries for your meter are long lasting. However, it's always a good idea to keep spares with you. A quick switch of batteries on the job site will make a world of difference when you're in the middle of a project. Number 8, read the manual so you know exactly what settings it has and other features. Keep the manuals handy. The Wagner moisture meters come with manuals that tell you the specific gravities for each type of wood you deal with. So be sure to check your manual to get the most from your meter. Number 9, keep your meter dry. There should be no condensation on the sensing plate of your moisture meter. Just as the surface you are measuring should be free of visible moisture, the sensing plate should be clear as well. Number 10, don't limit yourself or your meter. Your Wagner moisture meter is your new best friend. So don't forget all the nifty ways it can help you, like even being used to measure MC levels in plywood and OSB. Just use the section in your species adjustment table to set your manual to read these materials. If you follow these 10 easy steps for operating your wood moisture meter, life on the job will be a lot easier, I promise. Good luck on your next project, and we'll see you next time.